Hi everyone, my name is Ching, and today I'm going to introduce COM to all of you. So let's get started. So the problem that our company is aiming to solve is how to reduce people's pressures in their daily lives in an effective way. Because people are often feel stressed in their daily lives because of school, work, and age-related stress, and these stresses may cause many problems relate their mental health. So we think it is a really severe situation, and so we want to address this problem as soon as possible. So we have our solution. The solution is a downloadable app on any devices for meditation, sleep, and overall mental wellness. So by using our app, our users will sleep more, stress less, and get more healthy. Our market size is there are 76% of people have felt so stressed and they have been overwhelmed or unable to cope, and there are more than 1 million people call in sick every single day due to the stress. So they are the groups of people that we want, and they are also our potential customers for this product. And it's very huge. So let's take a look about product features. So the COM will utilize meditation, breathing exercises, and other mindful techniques to reduce our user stress. And our user can practice light scratching and physical exercises designed to relax their bodies and minds. And at last, our users can listen to the COM sleep stories, music, and meditation each night and sleep better. So this is our business model. So for the annual subscription for the COM, it is about $70. But if you want to subscribe for the month, you will pay about $13 for one month. And we currently have more than $50 million on the App Store. So we want $300 million revenue in 1 year. So meet with the team. Alex True and Michael Acton Smith, they are the co-founders. They have the idea in 2012, and then they create COM. Our market plan. So we will do the advertisement on the social media platforms, as you can see, include YouTube and Twitter and Facebook and etc. And we also will do the advertisement on the public transportation services and also the medical institutions, because we think these places gathers most of our potential users. So we choose these places. We of course have some competition in current market. There are Mindful Shift, Happify, Headspace, and 10% Happier. So for the Headsquare and 10% Happier, it will also cost about you $13 for a month. But the MindShift and the Happify is totally for free. But they're less professional than Headspace and 10% Happier and also COM. And there are some competitive advantages that COM have. The first one is more coverage. The COM app supports 6 languages and available in the 190 countries. So wherever you are, the COM is always available. And the second one is detailed reporting. So the COM will generate detailed reporting on our users' engagement, offers a full view of our users' current situations, so help them adjust faster. And then we also have the online support. So our customer service representatives will be available for 24/7 to help solve the problems from our users. And easy access. The easy access means our users can use the COM app on their phone, tablet, or the desktop at home and work or on the go. So thank you for watching, and that is all for the presentation. So take care and stay healthy. Thank you.